Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for data analytics with Python, week 1 assignment 1. So the first question is, data analytics is best defined as, so these are the option, and the answer of our first question is C, scientific process of transforming data into insights for decision making. And now let's go to our question number 2. Which of the following represents the correct order of data analytics type based on workflow? So these are the option, and the answer of our second question is B, descriptive tends to diagnostic tends to predictive tends to prescriptive. And now let's go to our question number 3. Under which level of measurement does the variable height of a person fall? So these are the option, and the answer of our third question is D, ratio. And now let's go to our question number 4. In Python pandas, which command is used to select row by integer position? So these are the option, and the answer of our fourth question is C, df.iloc. And now let's go to our question number 5. Which of the following is not a benefit of using Jupyter Notebook? So these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is C, faster hardware execution. And now let's go to our question number 6. The arithmetic mean is not appropriate for which type of data? So these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is D, nominal. And now let's go to our question number 7. If a distribution is positively skewed, which relationship holds true? So these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is B, mode less than median less than mean. And now let's go to our question number 8. Which measure is used to compare relative dispersion between two data sets? So these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is D, coefficient of variation. And now let's go to our question number 9. A data set has a mean of 50 and a standard deviation of 10. According to the empirical rule, approximately what percentage of observations lie between 30 and 70? So these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is C, 95%. And now let's go to our question number 10. Consider the following Python code. So this is the Python code, and what will be the output? So these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is 4. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.